everyone, welcome to my Cotopaxi unboxing. I just got this in the mail. Say hello, Nova. Can you sit down? Can you sit down? Good girl. Okay, now we're ready to do the review. So this box just came. My little princess here alerted me that someone was at the door. I wouldn't have not known otherwise. You know, she's very loud when people come to the door, but she's just doing her job and she's lovely. Okay, so this is the box that you will receive. It's got Cotopaxi label on both sides. The mask, I just received a notification that it's still yet to be shipped. Those were kind of delayed. So I am opening this box now. I'm really excited because it's really rare to find pink Cotopaxi ALLPA bags on the site, especially right now. Most of them are like greens, oranges and blues. So just trying to get this open. I can already see it. Can you guys see it? Hey, you want to help me? What's that? Oh my goodness, it's lovely and it's pink and it's got this bright pink zipper for the laptop compartment. It's gorgeous. I really love it. These are all one of a kind, chosen by the sewer. The only difference is this one they had actually posted on the website so you could see a range of colors. Comes with the Cotopaxi tag right there. It's just so rare to find one that is pink on this side, so love. These are like anti-theft bags because they've got these little loops on this side, so thieves cannot easily open your bag and you have to kind of guide the zipper through down under the loop in order to open it. Here's a laptop compartment, and inside there's a place even for an iPad or a tablet, and you can put whatever else here. It's very large. I love that. Such good quality zippers and zipper pulls. The belt loop can be taken off. It's velcroed inside, so that can actually be taken out. So you don't actually need to have it there if you don't want to. And even these zipper pulls, they can be placed under the loop. So I'm going to show you the different compartments. So the front main compartment is just a half size pocket. It doesn't go all the way down in there. It's half size, so you can put whatever you need here for quick access. There's a mesh compartment inside. And then inside the mesh compartment is two flap-like pockets. I love all the different colors. Then they have like a handle there, which is great. Handles on every side, so it's easy to grab from any direction. Got chunky zipper pulls. I love that. YKK zippers, really high quality. And now we're going to open the main compartment. Oh, first I want to show you the Okay, so there's two. This one on the right axis is the main compartment, just a quick axis in case you need that. And then the one on the left is the media compartment. And then there's a place to put your straps and tuck them in case you want to check in this bag. I will not be checking in this bag though, but at least the option is there. Then if we open the main compartment, this is the fourth bit. It opens like a suitcase. How cool is that? I love that so much. This is a 35 litre, and the Del Dia collection is the one-of-a-kind collection. They're made from repurposed fabrics, high quality, very well crafted. I could just feel the craftsmanship and quality in this bag. So on the left here you get the main compartment. Opens up like that. You can pack whatever clothes you want, packing cubes, whatever. And a mesh thing to hold it all in. And then you've got two mesh smaller compartments on the right hand side, and here we've got a rain cover. So here's the rain cover. And it has these Velcro straps and a loop, so you can actually just secure it to your bag. Not too fond of the brown and the orange color, but whatever. It's not like I'm going to be using the rain cover a lot anyway. Probably won't. I don't stay for long periods outside in the rain, but it's good that it's there just in case. And then on this end I've got a smaller compartment here where you can put more stuff. So I really love this bag. I love how everything has a double zipper, except for these two mesh pockets right here. Everything else has lovely double zippers. The quality is just amazing. I'm really, really happy with this bag. Just gonna zip it back up. You can see the size of it, the side Nova. Nova's about £19, a very petite pug. Look over there, darling. Good girl. Come over here. You can see the size difference. She's checking it out. I love all the colors. It's just really beautiful. She likes bags because she's used to going in them since she was. I just love what this company stands for. They have a foundation that they give 1% of their commission or the profits to help the homeless and help the people in need in the Philippines every year, and they are a very ethical company, and I just really love just everything they're about. Sustainable materials, you know, repurposed fabric. Oh, and here you can adjust the height of the stirrup straps, which is good, especially if you're a woman. I like how it's just like not matching. It's basically a very color block kind of company, and I will try on this bag for you.